On every job site, safety starts with you, and with the right personal protective equipment, or PPE. PPE is your last line of defense when hazards can't be completely eliminated. It's what stands between you and serious injury. In fact, OSHA estimates that nearly 70% of hand injuries and 60% of eye injuries could have been prevented simply by wearing the proper PPE. And yet, every year, thousands of workers are hurt because the right protection wasn't used, or it wasn't used properly. But here's the key. Not just any PPE will do. Every job, every task, every day, take the time to assess. Conditions on site can change from hour to hour. Weather, equipment, work areas, even the materials being handled, all of those can affect what PPE you need for that moment. That's why you can't rely on what you wore yesterday, or assume the same equipment is always enough. Start by reviewing the job safety analysis, or risk assessment. Look at the specific hazards. Are you at risk of falling objects, flying debris, loud noise, harmful dusts, fumes, or splashes? Once you've identified the risks, select the right PPE. Different hazards require different protection. Head protection means wearing a properly ANSI-rated hard hat and checking that it hasn't been cracked, sun-faded, or compressed. UV exposure can weaken the shell over time, so discoloration is a red flag. For eye and face protection, safety glasses are a minimal for most tasks, but goggles or a full face shield may be needed for chemicals or sparks. Make sure eyewear is ANSI Z87.1 certified. Don't forget hearing protection in high noise areas. ANSI-rated earplugs or earmuffs can prevent permanent hearing loss. When it comes to respiratory hazards, dust masks or respirators must be matched to the type of hazard and be NIOSH approved. One size does not fit all. For your hands, choose gloves suited to the job. Some are cut resistant, some protect against chemicals, some against heat. Foot protection is just as important. Steel toe or composite toe boots with slip-resistant soles can prevent crush injuries and falls. And for work at heights, never start without a properly fitted harness and secure anchor points that meet the applicable standards. But simply wearing PPE isn't enough. You have to use it properly and maintain it. Before every use, inspect your gear. Look for cracks, tears, worn spots, sun bleaching, or signs that the material has degraded. If it is damaged, replace it immediately. Best practice, use a PPE inspection checklist. It helps you stay consistent and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. If you don't already have one, talk to your supervisor. They can provide a checklist that fits your job's tasks and helps you assess each piece of equipment more effectively. And remember, PPE only protects you if it's the right type, it fits well, and it's in top condition. Don't take shortcuts, and clean and store your gear as the manufacturer recommends. Your PPE should be ready to go when you are. Your job safety analysis or risk assessment must include PPE requirements. If you notice a task that doesn't have adequate PPE listed, speak up. Make sure the hazards and required protection are documented and understood before anyone starts the work. Assess, select, inspect, protect. The right PPE can save your life, but only if you choose it wisely, wear it properly, and reassess for every task, every time. Safety is not just a company policy. It's a personal responsibility and shared commitment. When you take the time to protect yourself, you create a safer workplace for everyone. Your safety starts with you.